Hello everyone, welcome to Being the Change. This is Himani and today I'll be showing you the process of approaching everything that I'm studying, how I take notes and how to cover the magazine, etc. The first session was Current Affairs magazine. So current affairs magazines are very important to cover for UPSC. You just cannot skip it because even while reading the newspaper, you cannot be sure of remembering everything that you read. And you cannot make comprehensive notes from the newspaper daily. So you'll have to supplement it with the current affairs magazine. And you can go for any brand. I go for Vision. Now, as you can see, I've highlighted stuff in the magazine itself. This is because when I'll be revising, I'll be skipping through the non-highlighted part. And I've also made mini notes on the side wherever the space is given or whenever there's enough space where I can write, so that I'll read my own handwriting while revising. Also, it helps me remember better. My next session was for GS and optional. So this is the sociology NCERT that I'm reading currently. It's from class 12th. I feel everyone should read sociology NCERTs from class 11th and 12th. There are 4 NCERTs and 11th ones are very small and thin. It's very easy to understand. It gives you such better understanding of society in general and Indian society in particular, which helps you in essay also, ethics, GS1, and of course your optional if it's sociology. So this book is so good for society part for GS paper 1. It's also mentioned in the syllabus that we have to cover diversity in India, salient features of Indian society, role of women, women's organization, caste organization, and all the things which our society is made up of, and the things that are mentioned in the syllabus. It's very easily understandable from these NCERT books, and it helps you in so many things, so you better just read it. And I'm following the same approach here as well, making mini notes on the sides. There's one more thing that I'd like to add. Whenever we read NCERTs, it's very important to cover the back questions also, because as we have to prepare for mains, we cannot be sure of how to write answers right away. So this is the first step that we should take. Whenever we finish reading one chapter, we should definitely attempt the questions which are given at the back of the book, and you really write those questions. These are very easy questions and you've just read the chapter, it will be very easy for you to answer. And अगर वो questions भी answer नहीं कर पा रहे तो problem है, you need to revisit your strategy. Here I am reading the monthly magazine again. The first session was for revision and this is I am reading for the next month magazine. Yeah. Our next session was ethics, which is GS4. Currently, the opportunity we are provided with is very great because of the lockdown and the date extension for UPSC and other exams. We must take full advantage of this time and prepare for mains as much as we can. So I was very lost about ethics at first, but I finally started now. I am referring to the Lexicon book and Sleepy Classes YouTube lectures. You'll find them on YouTube easily, and they have nicely explained the key concepts and you can totally rely on them for understanding. Also, keep making notes while watching these lectures. In the end, you'll be left with comprehensive notes after finishing the entire course. It's just 40 plus small videos and you'll be able to do it easily. One more thing, whenever you follow any source, please be very aware of your syllabus and your topics which are mentioned in it, and strictly stick to the topics. I know it's not possible for some part of the syllabus, but ethics and optional are such papers where everything is divided nicely and you'll be able to stick to the topics. So be aware of whatever you're reading. Don't just read it for the sake of it. You have to clear the exam, not do PhD in any subject or any book. So be aware of that. And lastly, I know I've been very inactive lately, but I'll be more active on the channel now as I'm feeling much better from my vaccine sickness. And a quick reminder, get vaccinated as soon as possible. It's the only thing that can protect us from the deadly virus. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep hustling and be the change.